Mr. Christian Bautista, Mr. Edu Manzano, and Miss Lorna Tolentino. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Miss Tessa. How are you?
I'm feeling great.
That's good. Well, you look great.
The shoppers out there. The smart shoppers out there.
The smart shoppers. I understand, Miss Tessa, that you have been a Watson's endorser for 5 years now. How has the experience been for you?
Actually, I've been a Watson's ambassador for 5 years, but I've been a shopper for endless since the beginning. And I'd like to say that, you know, I am such a fan of Watson. I'm a shopper, but I'm a smart shopper, meaning, you know, I go for high quality products. And of course, I mean, this whole Switch and Save campaign is incredible because it started here in the Philippines and it's been adopted in all the other Watsons in Malaysia, all over, and it's a Pinoy thing. It's wonderful.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much, Miss Tessa. Christian,
Hi!
I heard that you went undercover as a Watson store staff member for a day. Ang swerte naman ng mga taga-Watsons doon, ano? Is this true?
It's true. It's true. Honestly, it's true. Yes. I was in disguise. Nagbebenta kami ng mga Watson's products sa MOA branch. And yung ibang tao parang di makapaniwala. Sino ba to? Si Mark Bautista ba to? Eric Santos ba? Hindi, pero and then minsan, si Piolo ba to? Hindi talaga. Promise. And then siyempre, ni-reveal namin na, hi, I'm Christian Bautista, I'm one of the ambassadors, and I heard na that day was the best day of sales the whole year.
Wow!
No, really, really.
That's super awesome, Christian. Thank you. Sir Edu, I love your Watson's generics drama commercials. So, what was it like shooting the scenes?
Well, it was the worst time of my life. No, kasi dahil sa mga hugot lines, I went home very depressed. And, you know, I was in such a bad mood. Then I saw my Watson's generics, and all of a sudden, it brought back life into me. I'm living testimony to the, you know, to the effectivity of Watson's generics. But truthfully, no, my kumare and my very dear friend, I got to work with her. It was fun actually. Lalo na kasi yung mga hugot lines. So it was a very, very pleasurable experience.
Wow, I loved your hugots too. What about you, Miss Lorna? What are your favorite vitamins and supplements for you and your family?
Lahat, pero hindi. Meron akong favorite talaga. Ascorbic acid, luyang dilaw, mangosteen, yan. And syempre lahat-lahat na. Kasi affordable naman yung Watson's Generics.
Totoo po yan. Ako rin yan ang gamit ko sa bahay, mga Watson's Generics.
Dami talagang, pag merong kang bibigyan, ako, talagang sasaluhin nila kagad.
Kasi napaka-useful naman talaga.
Di ba, Tessa?
I love it. I'm telling you now, all my parties, the number one thing that all my guests want to get are the Watson's giveaways. They're using you. Punta tayo kina Tessa, may mga libre na mga Watson's products doon. They're friendly because they want the Watson's. And they well can afford it, you know what I mean? It's so affordable. Absolutely. I mean, like, it's incredibly wonderful. I could plug. I love their gift packs over the holidays. It was the best gift ever.
That's a wonderful gift idea.
Ever.
Thank you so much. Hi, Ian. Now that you're a new mom, how have you adjusted to this new life?
Well, you know, it was tough. It was tough, lalo na the first 2 months. I don't want to scare you. But at least for me, it was really tough. But you know, it just takes a matter of time talaga for you to get used to the new norm. The new norm of waking up in the middle of the night, waking up to changing all those dirty diapers. But yeah, it was in becoming a mom that made me realize how much more important it is talaga to save. Because you waste so much money on diapers. Kakapalit mo pa lang, tapos mababasa ulit after 2 seconds. Kapapalit. Actually, it happened the other night. I woke up, changed his diaper, went back to sleep, and thinking, bakit siya pagulong-gulong, dapa, tapos on his sabi ko, what is up? Tapos akala ko parang may ambience akong naamoy na kakaiba eh. Meron ako na kakaiba na naamoy. Sabi ko, baka gassy. So sabi ko, okay, bigyan ko ng konting time. Nung inamoy ko, confirm. May laman. So I had to change his diaper again.
Wow.
So yeah, I mean, it's funny. You really do end up wasting so many diapers. So parang, you know, if your money can go elsewhere on something that he needs more, like those diapers, doon na nga lang dapat yung pera ko.
I agree.
No, but I just have a question. Will Watsons in the very near future be also selling Pampers? Because I'm spending a lot on my Pampers now. Oh, hirap talaga po. Oh, 3 times a day na ako.
Adult diapers ba yan?
Ha?
Adult diapers?
Adult diapers, yeah. You soon, please let me. And I'll gladly endorse for free.
Are you ready to do your commercial for that?
Yeah, tsaka yung slim fit, ha? Kasi ayoko yung masyadong bulky.
Seamless. Gusto mo seamless?
Ha?
Seamless
ha?
diaper.
Oo nga pala, kasi, yeah. Why do you think I have a hard time walking today? Kaya nga, di ako magalaw, dito lang ako.
This is PG-13.
Well, that's a good idea, guys. You might want to consider. Anyway, guys, I heard that you have a new Watsons family member.
No.
Kala ko ako.
Actually, you know what we do?